Right, it's the following day. The rain has completely wrecked me. Not bothered. Basically, I'm outside Protyre and I'm gonna go and put the car on the ramp because a long-awaited, I don't know if I can class it as a modification, but a part that I've wanted to fit to the car for a while has been mud flaps. Now, I got in touch with a company called Rallyflapz and said that I'd like some custom-made ones. Obviously, they've got their little Rallyflapz decal on them, and I'm going to just turn in now to Protyre. As you can see, I'm outside, and I'm going to try and get them fitted. Now, because it's raining so much, I didn't want to be taking the wheels off right outside the house, not only wrecking my camera, but just wrecking the whole experience of watching this video in general. Now, I'm not going to sit here and pretend that fitting mud flaps is hard. It's not, but the benefit of having friends here at Protyre means that we just get them on in a slightly more professional manner and in an environment that I can keep dry. So we're just pulling in now. I'll just open my windows. Adds to the effect, you know. Right, I'm just going on the ramp. We're trying to. Hey?
Don't put your parking brake on.
No worries.
As when it's in the air, then we can roll it to the exact spot.
All right, no worries. We'll do that now. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch from the phone and I'm going to go straight to the camera. Right, first port of call, get this car up in the air. I've left the parking brake off. I'm so excited to get these mud flaps on this car. I think they'll look so good. Anyway, I may as well show you what we're dealing with. Try and be somewhat careful. Right, I haven't unpackaged the other ones, but this is what we're dealing with. They're going to be in there like so. I'm looking forward to it. I'll put that one there, just for the time being. Oh my god, it's so high. What am I going to do? That one. Hang on, what have I got in my pocket? Right, I'll do this in the dry. So, included in the pack, all the fixings that we needed. Fitting instructions with a rather sexy looking car. If you're watching this video and you own that car, let me know. But no, fitting instructions included, and then individually wrapped. I'll get those unpackaged in a second. Right, get this sorted. To be fair, it's probably a good place to check if there's any wobble, wheel bearing wobble or whatnot, any noise. I want to get rid of those springs, get myself some coilovers. Anyway, like I said, the weather's absolutely horrendous, so the car's going to look like a sorry state today, but that's fine. These fog lights seem to have been quite popular. As always, locking wheel nut. I need to get all my wheels locked in. I swear I've only got 3. One of them's missing one. Right. Here we go. No, there you go. That's the one I meant. It's missing the locking wheel nut. There you go, pal. We've got no locking wheel nut on there, but that's it there. No. It's a particular type of rubber that the guy mentioned he used. I just can't remember what it was.
Yeah, I can't remember.
He says it's high quality.
Yeah.
I've heard you can replace these here with, with the little ST badges.
Oh, right. Okay.
Because obviously these are off the RS.
That's right. Yeah, I'm working on being Civic insurance.
Awesome. And the other one at the front's missing one, so you don't have to worry about that.
Right, yeah.
No, I have not sorted the vibration. Honestly, it's an absolute nightmare. Everyone's following the issues with the vibration. It seems to be a popular thing,
Yeah.
as in a common issue.
It's strange you say that. I've got a Ford C-Max 2-litre diesel.
Yeah.
Numerous times I've bounced the wheels, and I've still got this vibration about 75-80.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's annoying, isn't it? It just takes away your love for the car. Right, where should we start? Right, now we can actually get inside and have a look what's going on. Just a big rusty mess. No, I'm kidding. I wish, drive shafts, I wish you'd sort yourself out.
No, yours disappears and yours are sorted.
Braided lines are still intact, filthy, all the same. But they're still intact. Jack up the car, remove the wheel, lower the car on the jack back to its original position. This will make it easier to align the flaps. Both the front and rear utilise the top fixing bolt that is already in the inner arch. The rear flap is another horizontal. Okay. Must admit the packaging's banging. Other side. Should be as simple as using this one up here. Apologise if you can't see where I'm working. You see there's a little hole there. So that utilises that one, and then the other ones we can screw in. So yeah, we're going to have to get involved. It's going to be difficult as I can't prop up the camera. Right, we've got ourselves a T30. Just get that undone. Obviously you can use the original fitment, the original screws rather, I just don't see the point, seeing as we've got some nice new ones here. Right, this is on. It's going everywhere. Upside down, I don't want losing that. Right, so, let's see what I can do. Are they the same size? Right, I can assume those are the rears because they're bigger.
You said across the road, what's too far,
Right, I have actually used the original screw. Makes a little bit more sense. That's the other front. Get these on. Honestly, doing this one-handed is an absolute nightmare. Right, top one's fitted. Obviously you can adjust it when you loosen it up a little bit. So that's what it's going to look like on that side. Right, so they're all actually screwed in, obviously not on the bottom, they're placed in with the top. We're just trying to gauge how low they are and whether they look decent. Just get out of the way of this massive cable. No, it looks alright. Just need to obviously position it right so that it looks decent. I'll show you guys around this side as well. Again, I'm going to be pulling them out to make them look perfect. We're just trying to gauge how low they are. Let's see what it looks like. Right, now these are screwed in, we need to bring the car down so we can see if these scrape. So if we can do that, that'd be great. Yeah, so how, I mean, it'll be alright. I think they'll be alright, personally. They were measured by the gentleman that made them for me. Thank you for that. I think they'll be alright. I think we're going to survive. Now, where the fuck do I go in? Right, let's see if this works. Right, let's see what it looks like. Big man here's got the wheel out. What do we think, guys? What do we think? Right, we stuck one in there. I'm going to stick another one in here and do the same all around the car. What do we reckon? Is it sticking in too much? Does it look alright? What do you think? Hang on, I'll swap with you. Yeah, I'll hold it in. Probably come out a little bit. Yeah. Okay, right. We'll get this sorted. Yeah, bringing it out really, that's the thing. I fucked it. Not completely.
No.
Looks good to me. I'll get the other one in. Yeah, we'll go from there. This has come off, and obviously it looks terrible. That goes in there, which I'll take it out. But I don't know. Have to pull that in. Well, that's obviously fallen out to me. If you're wondering, I've been fixing that. As it looks absolutely horrendous, it's now fixed. This one's fixed in. So I've got one here, and one there. Let's move on to the next one. Right guys, what do you reckon? What we were discussing earlier as to whether it should be in or whether it should be out. I think it looks really good right there. Down. Okay. The caliper's not going on the floor on the other side, is it? No, it should be alright. That's saying it's as low as it's going, but it's bullshit, isn't it? Need to have a look round. That's the first one installed right here. Let's go and have a look at the back. Looks good. Right, finally, I've been drilling away. They're all screwed in properly. The rears, the fronts. Just need to get this wheel back on here, and then we can see how it looks. Obviously that one's on too. Get the wheel done, get them all tightened up, get the car off the ramp, and see exactly how they look. Right, here we are, moment of truth. Let's see how it looks. So what do I do now? Just take these things out from under here?
No, what do you do now?
I'm completely clueless. Ah, okay. So it's like a safety precaution, is it?
Yeah.
Your name's Cam, right?
Yes, mate, yeah.
You're a legend, thank you very much.
No problem.
Right, that one, ever so slightly angled in. I can fix that at a later date, that's not an issue. Right, let's get this place tidied up, get the car off the ramps, and then we'll get it out there so we can see what it looks like. Clocks are out. Let's go for both of them, or just that one?
When it stops, then that one and that one, right?
Okay. What's going up?
Yeah, it will go first.
Oh, okay. Honestly guys, I'm such a noob when it comes to this stuff. Right, that simple is it? All done?
All done.
Okay, right, let's get the car outside and we'll have a look exactly how they look.
Oh, is it?
Right. That's okay. Right. Mud flaps installed. This is where we are. Protyre. I need to get myself a thumbnail taken. It's going to be difficult. No, I think it looks decent. Literally, although I know I've got it right, it wouldn't surprise me if I put the wrong ones on the front and the wrong ones on the back. But that looks decent. Like I said, big thanks to Protyre. Always here to help me out. Come and give them a shout. Honestly, let's get this car rearranged. Go for a haircut and it starts raining, and then this happens. I'm super excited. The car's finally got some mud flaps on. Honestly, I cannot express enough how thankful I am to Rallyflapz. You guys are amazing. These custom flaps are awesome. You can get your logos on them. You can get anything you want. So obviously slide into their DMs on Instagram, or I'm assuming they've got a website. If they do, I'll link it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry that it was super rainy and obviously super difficult to see everything, but that's fine. We're making waves with the ST. Stay tuned. Like if you haven't already. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Peace.